In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up free shipping on your TikTok shop. It's a simple and effective way to attract more customers by offering them that little extra incentive they often look for when making purchasing decisions. So let's dive right into it and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your TikTok shop seller center. Once you're in and on the home page, your focus should be drawn to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a panel with various options and you'll want to click on marketing. This is where you'll manage all your promotional activities. After clicking on the marketing tab, the next thing you'll do is head over to promotions. It's just a click away, and that's where the magic begins. As the page loads, take note of the different types of promotion tools available. These are designed to help you boost your shop's visibility and sales. Today, our main focus is on free shipping, so let's go ahead and scroll down just a tad until you spot the customer incentives section. This is precisely where you'll find the shipping fee discount option. Click on it, and it will open up the settings for creating a free shipping offer for your customers. Now that you're in the realm of customization, you get to shape the details to suit your shop's needs. Start by filling in the basic information, like your promotion name, which will help you identify this offer in your promotions list. Next, you'll define the promotion period. Decide whether this offer will run indefinitely or within a specific date range. Consider the timing that best aligns with your marketing strategies. You can also choose the shipping methods you'd like this promotion to apply to, whether you want it to cover only standard shipping or encompass all available shipping methods. Similarly, decide on the shipping areas. You have the flexibility to offer free shipping either to all areas or limit it to specific regions based on your business strategy. Once you've configured these basic settings, it's time to scroll down to the discount settings section. Here you will encounter the shipping fee discount type. You have a couple of options, but since our goal today is to offer free shipping, go ahead and select that option. Now, just follow through with the remaining two steps, promotion criteria and where it applies to, making sure everything is aligned with your sales goals. When you're confident that everything looks seamless and ready to go, click on Agree and Publish. And there you have it. You've successfully set up free shipping on your TikTok shop. This little tweak can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience and potentially boost your sales. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I wish you great success with your TikTok shop promotions.